Let me tell you the secret that if you are following the what masses are following, I mean, if 99% of the people are following on the one way and you are also going on the same way, trust me, you never going to get rich, you never going to be successful. Don't do the same thing what the masses are doing. If masses, yep, and everybody crowd is selling, you have to buy, and if everyone is buying, you have to sell. I mean, do the exact opposite what the masses, what the high population and what the crowd are doing. You have to do the everything opposite what they are doing, and this is the you can change, and you can do everything. You can change your life, you can business, and your overall your inner engineering with me, your soul, your stress, your mindset. You can would attend my workshop to change your mindset, to your thoughts, your ideas and your belief with me.